uBushiri kanye nomkakhe kungenzeka balahlekelwe imizi kanye nempahla yabo uma bengaveli enkantolo ngoLwesine. Ibhayili yabo isihoxisiwe yize beyalele abameli babo ukuthi bafake isicelo sokuvimba inkantolo ekuthatheni lesinqumo. Emva kwesimemezelo esenziwe uhulumeni wakuleli sokuthi useyinhlelweni zokusebenzisa imigomo yeSADC ukuze kubuyiswe uBushiri nomkakhe kuleli, ithimba lamaHawks likhiphe isitatimende luthi sekukhishwe incwadi egunyaza ukuboshwa kwabo.
A warrant of arrest has been issued this morning with immediate effect by the Pretoria Magistrates Court for the two fugitive Shepherd Bushiri and Mary Bushiri who contravened their bail conditions when they failed to present themselves at the police station to confirm that they are still in the country on Friday.
Uphiko oluphenya izenzo zamaphoyisa ye-IPID luqinisekisile ukuthi lo mholi webandla wavulela amaphoyisa amacala enkohlakalo kanye nokugwazisa ngo-2018. Kepha leli cala laphazamiseka ngenxa yokuba matasa kukaBushiri kanye nokungafuni ukubambisana ne-IPID.
At some point, our investigators were quite keen to go with him so that they can identify the suspects, but he really has not been. And this has been a big challenge for IPID. When victims lay cases with us and they are not forthcoming with information, they are not cooperating with the investigation.
iMalawi ingenye yamazwe acica umgomo weSADC omayelana nokubuyiswa kwabantu ababhekene namacala. uBushiri nowakwakhe babhekene necala lenkohlakalo, ukukhwabanisa kanye nokushushumbisa imali ohlelweni lokutshalwa kwemali okukholakala ukuthi libiza ngaphezulu kwezigidi ezilikhulu zamarandi.